Hello everybody, my name is Aitya and from today onwards we're going to be starting a new playlist on this channel. It's going to be AI. We're going to be creating Jarvis. So I have created a roadmap that we're going to be taking through this and then what all the things are required. So before I start, we're going to look at required stuff because if you don't have these we can't do all of this, that's why. So first you need a computer of course, or else how are you going to code. Then you need a microphone. If you don't have a microphone, I'll tell you what you can do. You need speakers, and if you don't have speakers, I'll still tell you what you can do. You need knowledge. You need knowledge in deep learning and knowledge in machine learning and knowledge in Python. Without these three, you won't be able to understand what I'm doing, or you won't be able to make one out of you won't be able to make one out of scratch yourself. This is gonna be a little confusing. So now let's look at the roadmaps. What are you gonna be making? First, I'm creating its voice. So this is the file that we'll be creating in speak.py. Py is the extension, as I've told you. Ears, sorry, voice. I'm gonna explain this. Voice, what I mean is that it'll be able to talk to us. And there is one module that we're gonna be using. And for ears, it's gonna be hearing through this. So it's the microphone, and voice is the speakers, the brain. What I mean is that it's gonna be a basic neural network, and then we're gonna advance that neural network later on. So brain.py, then neural network, then neural network.py. We're going to be creating a database for this, so it's going to be intent.json file. Then we're going to be creating a trainer, so it can be trained. So train.py. Uh, Main file, which is going to be the ai.py. I'm just going to name this to this.py. Task execution. So it's gonna be doing task. So task.py, and then this is gonna be yourself. It's gonna done by yourself. Extra features such as alarm system, reminder system, timetable, and then location system. A lot of things. I'm just gonna give you like the basic things in this, but then you can add on of that, add those things, and then do more things by yourself. So as I've told you, these are gonna be the required stuff. Now, if you don't have a microphone, you can use uh, print commands instead of like making the computer do things like it will be saying things. Instead of doing that, you can make it print the result. And if you do not have a speaker, sorry, if you don't have a microphone, you're gonna be printing things. Sorry, what am I saying? Yes, if you do not have a microphone, the ears thing, instead of like, we're gonna be creating our own functions in these two. So instead of like creating a new function, you can just use the input function, which is already created in Python. And for the speakers, it's going to be his voice. We're going to hear his voice through it. It's going to be through another like self-made one, which we're going to be making that function. If you do not have a speaker, you can just use the print function. So I hope you're excited for this course, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.